All right, so for this one, it's a little cheaper. You won't need to go mixer. You got your phone. You do need to buy this piece though. This is very important. This camera adapter one. They sell on Apple, of course, and maybe on Amazon, but make sure it's the real deal from Apple. Otherwise, you'll get screwed. This is the piece. It's just a USB to, I don't know, the 1/8 inch again. The pink one is microphone, so that's what you're gonna plug into. So you're just gonna put this, hold on, put this down real quick. And you put this into here. And then you got that in like that. And then you're gonna get your DJ controller. Most of them have a RCA out. Master RCA out, as you can see here. Or I know they also sell on Amazon like, you know, 2 1/4 inch to a headphone. To a, you know, to an 1/8 inch. If you could find that for your booth. Or if you want to do even Master XLR to a headphone, 1/8 inch, but you know, it has to end in an 1/8 inch, of course. So it can plug into there. And the pink one. And then that's it. So then you got your phone, the camera adapter, the USB thingy. I'll link that to you. And then your cable from your controller. The thing about this though, the signal is really hot, so you gotta lower your master out, or if it's your booth out, barely turn it up, you know. And then when you roll up the faders, it'll get loud enough for you there. So I recommend putting it on a separate like booth. That way you can still have your master cranked up for your audience that's, you know, live with you, and put the phone one on a booth. That way you can put this real low and it won't sound super signal noise, you know, in the red. You know, you don't want this in the red, of course. So hope that makes sense too. It works. I already hit record on here. Recorded a video and it played back fine. Let's see, I have it right here for you. Let's see here. So this is the video I just tested. So right now, there's no sound. The track hasn't played yet, as you can see. But then, turn the volume. See how distorted that kind of sounded though? Because it was way too loud, way too much signal. I even tested the mic out to make sure this is what you can hear right now.
Yo, testing 1 2 test.
And that works too. Hope that makes sense.